What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Just got to the shop. Today, gonna be a normal day. I do have some appointments scheduled with AFE to go take the truck down there. They are gonna be providing some parts for the truck, so hopefully, I really don't know what they're giving at this point. We've talked about multiple pieces for this thing, intercooler, exhaust, intake, a tuner, so a bunch of different stuff that we've talked about, but I don't know what they're committing to. So I'm really excited to see what they provide. But before I can do that, I need to get in there and get to work. Don't forget about the 200,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll just say it now, get it done, get it knocked out at the beginning of the vlog. We are giving away another car wrap. We've already done one, giving away another one at 200,000 subscribers. This weekend, we picked up a couple hundred subscribers. I don't know what happened, but we're really thankful for it. So thank you guys to all the new subscribers. If you guys do want to enter in the car wrap giveaway, all you got to do is subscribe, go down and go to the description below. There's a sign up sheet there, and put your email down so we can contact you if you win, when you win, whoever wins. And the last thing I'm gonna say is go ring the bell. Make sure you get our post notifications so you guys know when we post new videos. We're also gonna be giving away some vinyl wrap rolls this week, so a bunch of stuff's gonna be given away. We're just thankful that you guys are watching the channel and we have the opportunity to do this. Here at the shop, let's do this. Quick drop off, customer brought his brand new Camry and he asked me to black this thing out. So didn't want to remove it. He didn't want to remove it, he actually wanted to leave it on. It is taped on, 3M taped and bolted from the inside. So what we're gonna do is we taped off the whole area here, all the way around, which allows us to wrap this piece and trim without any concerns of cutting the paint. That's what this tape's here for. So we're actually gonna wrap this and it should be a quick, easy job, get it out the door, take 30 minutes, let's do it. Like this, super easy. It comes in, goes out real quick. You know, you can customize your car like this at home, super easy. If you've seen what I did is I just taped it all off, wrapped it and trimmed it to fit. A lot of people ask about pre-cuts for parts like this, and we don't offer pre-cuts for things that need to be wrapped. You know, when I say wrapped, it means it needs to be wrapped, trimmed, and trimmed to fit. So that's what this was. Really easy to do, took about an hour, looks really cool. Bunch of different cars have spoilers like this that are really easy. My first time doing a Camry, but I think we'll be bringing a lot in. These things look dope. I think we worked on this one before.
Really?
Has a premium banner, has the roof wrap and the spoiler. I think I wrapped this a while ago. We're gonna do Amber Delete right here on this. So if you see there's a big orange piece here. So we developed a pre-cut kit that goes right here all the way across, almost like an eyelid, but then it comes around and gets rid of that orange. And then another cool thing is the customer wanted to do it in shadow black. Shadow black's a new color from 3M. And it's almost like a camo pattern. So I'll show you what it looks like.
Almost like cow.
A cow pattern, camo pattern. So I'm sick, dude. This has a cool, like almost a bouncy, reflective look. I don't know if you can catch it on camera. But we wrapped Dominic Cruz's GTR in this color, and we had a little bit extra, so we decided to go ahead and just cut the pre-cut instead of doing our traditional gloss black, which we do for a lot, in shadow black. See what it looks like. I'm not gonna film too much detail on the install because we do have a video on these on our other YouTube channel, Premium Garage. So if you guys want to know how to install these, go over to Premium Garage. We'll show you exactly how to do it. The pre-cuts are available on premiumautostyling.com. Like I said, this is the first time I've done it in shadow black, so we don't know if it's gonna look cool or not. I think it's going to, but as of right now, satin black and gloss black are available. If you do like the shadow black, let us know, we'll make them available. We're down, you know, as far as working with you, the wrap would be basically on a deal where we just as collaboration, you help us, we'll help you. The cool thing about wraps is for some people, they don't understand what a wrap is. They believe that, you know, a week later it's gonna be messed up and off the car. I like to give people the opportunity to see it, and you with your channel, just keep it in flow for at least a year talking about it. Like, look, wrap's still holding up, still look good, you know?
So if I want to go wide body, that's the thing.
Yeah.
So do I wrap this before wide body and then
wrap it again when I go wide body?
I say we go wide body, get it done, get it fitted, and then we can wrap the car. So maybe we do it all at one time. Thanks for your time, man.
Of course, bro.
Okay, what's up, guys? Chris, or the Supercar Suspects, as you guys just saw. Talking to the premium guys, planning something very, very cool very soon. This car might be getting wrapped something very, very badass, and then we have another car hopefully coming in also this week or maybe next week. So it depends, but the color we chose is gonna be absolutely sick. I do pretty much automotive videos. If you guys haven't seen them already, I go to the craziest car meets all over Southern California and all over California. So yeah, that's what I do. Here's my car. I call it the Rice Mobile because no engine modifications, the fitment. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
So we just got the call. AFE is getting on board with the truck, so they're gonna be providing a bunch of parts for it. What I think is coming is we're gonna be getting a tuner, we're gonna be getting an intake, we're gonna get an exhaust, and there was intercooler, rear diff cover, a couple parts that AFE offers for the Titan XD already, and I'm just excited. I really don't know what for sure we'll be picking up today, but we're gonna get over there, go say what's up to the guys, and hopefully sign a deal here. You know, AFE's jumping on as a partner for 2018. Super excited about it. Let's go visit them. All right, so we made it over to AFE. This is located in Riverside, California. I think they got, I don't know if they have multiple retail locations, but this is their retail location in Riverside on the border of Corona. So if you guys are in the area, come by, stop by and visit them. They do a lot of diesel power products. They also have a lot of sport compact performance parts as well. So let's go inside, let's go see what they got. Definitely goals for, I would say, 2019, because that's when our lease ends on the other spot. We got a year to work. We'll grind for a year, and then we'll have something like this. I guarantee it. I promise you guys that. The whole part about the YouTube channel, is documenting everything, is to show you guys the progress of what we're doing. And if I can go back and show you where I started, which was in my garage, in my parents' garage, my mom was doing her laundry in the back corner, and I was wrapping cars, and there was lint everywhere, to where I'm at now, it's far above. So like, I wish I can go back and show you that progress. Now moving into the, the bigger shop that we've been in for the last year and transitioning out into something like this, you guys are gonna be part of that, and I'm super pumped to really like document it, show you guys, inspire. Hopefully if you guys have your own shop and you wanna do the same thing, it's possible. We've been doing it, we keep growing steadily, so this is what I want though. I mentioned earlier when I got here that you guys can come down here to AFE, but getting in here and actually talking to the guys and seeing what they do and seeing their shop, the facility in general, it's amazing and it's definitely worth the visit. You guys can come here and get your performance upgrades done as well. I'm actually considering maybe dropping off the truck for a little bit to have them do some stuff as well. But if you guys are trying to come down here, 11820 Magnolia Avenue, Riverside, California, come visit them, come say what up. It's a cool spot, and I'm sure you guys will be pleased with the work and service. These guys here are awesome. Hey, appreciate it, man. We'll talk to you guys soon.
I'll see you guys. I'll around in a second.
Yeah, all right, definitely. Have a good weekend, guys.
Yeah, enjoy.
Thank you. I almost feel bad revving this to show you guys the before and after, but gotta do it because I want to show you the difference. The stock exhaust on this is super quiet. Although it has a Cummins motor, it has a real nice turbo diesel rumble, but it's not loud at all. So I'll rev it, let you guys hear it, and then we're just excited. We're gonna go in there and install this exhaust now. We just picked it up 2 minutes ago. So we'll show you guys what it sounds like when we're done. Couldn't hear it over the helicopter, that's how bad it is. It's quiet.
I'm gonna go ahead and open up the exhaust from AFE Power for the Titan. Packed nice, so when you receive it at home, everything should look good. No scratches or anything.
Damn. Oh my gosh.
That's a big hole.
It's my
tip.
This is the tip.
Muscles.
That's the tip.
It's gonna look really good up there with the truck.
I told you guys we're super excited. Literally, we've only had the exhaust for like 5 minutes in our possession, and we're already going ham, taking it apart and doing it. And if you guys don't know, we are a vehicle wrap shop, so doing stuff like this, not like out of our hands. We've done stuff like this before, but the idea is to go in here and really show you guys how easy it is to do it. We're gonna do that. We're gonna show you. I believe it's super easy. It's just supposed to be bolt-on kit. So let's find out. Let's do it.
Really, Edwin?
That was not the topic for your compliments, alright, dog? Ew. I pull it out, Johnnee. Yeah. Oh. Oh. What is it?
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Freaking Adrian just stands there.
He's like, burn your hands.
A lot deeper, and it's not like one of those annoying ones. It's really nice. Sorry, I'm sitting down. My back really hurts. But the craziest part about this whole install is it literally took 15 minutes. We didn't put the car on jacks. Obviously, we had the truck on jacks because it is high. We didn't have to use a lift. Just a couple tools, and it was on within 15 minutes. And it sounds really good. I'm pumped on it. Definitely notice a little bit difference in sound. It has a little bit more deeper tone, and actually when you're driving you can feel it breathe a little bit better. I still believe that all of the other parts that we need to put on that are in conjunction with this, the intercooler, the scorcher tuner, and the intake, are really going to open it up and all work together really well. So I can't wait to do that. We don't have enough time to do that tonight. I was just excited. Literally, we bolted up in 15 minutes. It was really easy to do, and I'm really impressed with the results. I can't wait to get everything else together. But yeah, till next time.